Hello, Arcady with Ellicott Distilling Company. Hey, today I'm going to walk you through how to make a ginger mojito. So for this cocktail, you're going to be using our Caribbean-style clear rum. Now we make this out of sugarcane syrup and not molasses because it brings through all that cane flavor without some of the bitterness you sometimes get. And we don't spice it and we don't age it. So really we want the rum to speak for itself, and it's really perfect for a cocktail like this. So you're going to start by adding a half an ounce of simple syrup to the bottom of the glass. You're going to squeeze half a lime into the glass as well. If you don't have fresh lime, that's fine. Lime juice works too, but fresh is almost always better. You're going to add 2 slivers of freshly cut ginger and between a half and a quarter ounce of mint. That's according to taste. Now once all those ingredients are there, go ahead and muddle them to release all the juices out of the mint. And then fill to the top with ice. Add 2 ounces of the rum. And top off with ginger ale. Now this cocktail requires a little bit more stirring than a normal cocktail because all the ingredients are currently in the bottom. So you want to use a shaker. If you don't, a cocktail glass works as well. And go ahead and roll the cocktail back and forth twice. Now garnish with a wheel of lime and another sprig of mint and enjoy.